Today I'm going to be showing you how to complete this week's ELA assignment. This is what the worksheet looks like for this week. We've been focusing a lot on nonfiction text features, paraphrasing, and main idea and detail. So this week we're going to take all of that knowledge and we are going to use it to research or find information about a weather topic. Now, I'm going to be using hurricanes. You are welcome to choose any type of weather that's interesting to you. So this is what the worksheet looks like. At the very top, you're going to be putting in your weather topic. So like I said, I am choosing hurricanes. I'm going to type it in there. The next thing is to pick a research question. Now, we're only picking one question, and these questions are listed down below here. So you can look through those and decide which one is interesting to you. Which one are you wondering about? Now, if you chose something like thunderstorms, you wouldn't say, what is a hurricane and how are they formed? You would say, what is a thunderstorm and how are they formed? So it's really easy to change the word hurricane to the weather topic that you chose. So this is the question I'm going to use. So I'm just going to highlight it, click and drag, and then copy and paste it so that I know what my question is. So now I've got to look up the information. This is where we will research. So down below, you will see that you have a spot for 4 different facts. Now, these facts are all answering that question, what is a hurricane and how are they formed? So we have some different websites that we can look at to find this information. And the first start with Epic Books. Now, when you log into your Epic account, you know that you have a mailbox in the upper right-hand corner where I have assigned some nonfiction books from a few weeks ago. You can go back to those and look through them to help you answer your question. So I clicked on the collection Natural Disasters and Survival. So I'm going to scroll down here a little bit to find something on hurricanes. Oh, here's one, Detecting Hurricanes. I'm going to click there. And again, I'm looking up what is a hurricane and how are they formed. So in this book, I want to show you the beginning. With nonfiction textbooks, you don't have to read the entire thing. You can look here at the table of contents to see if it's even going to answer your question. But I see that there's a what is a hurricane on page 9, so I'm going to go there. Skipping through those pages. So it says a hurricane is a type of tropical cyclone, which is a large swirling storm with strong winds. It needs warm water and warm air to form. So that's an interesting fact. I could take that back here and type it in to my first interesting fact. Okay, and I could probably use this book to find all 4 facts to answer my question, but good researchers use different sources or different places to find their information. Another place you can look is Weather Whiz Kids. Now, again, all of these links that I'm talking about right now will be part of in your assignments. So this is Weather Whiz Kids. You can just click on the down arrow here. There's a bunch of different types of weather, even under natural disasters as well. You could pick any of those. So I'm looking up specifically hurricanes. So I'm going to click there on hurricanes. And I see the very first subheading is what is a hurricane? So that draws my eye directly there. Oh, I can answer that question. It can be 600 miles across. It has winds 75 to 200 miles per hour. That's interesting. How do they form? Oh, that's the rest of my question. So I would read this information here and then type it in on my worksheet. Again, only 4 facts. The last website I'm going to show you is Kiddle.co. This is just like Google, but it's kid-friendly. Okay, so I could type in, what is a hurricane? Click search. And I can see here that there's a lot of websites I could look at. And then underneath each website, it gives you a little bit of information about what is on that page.